Hey guys, it's Miss Cecilia. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a healthy wrap using two basic vegetables, a cucumber and tomato, some condiments or dressing, and some turkey, some roasted turkey breast, and obviously using your flour tortilla. So let's get started with the most important part of this tutorial, of this food tutorial, making a healthy wrap. So whenever you are in the kitchen and you use a sharp utensil like a knife, you need to have adult supervision. So if you do end up making this healthy wrap, make sure that if you use a knife, that mom or dad are there watching you, supervising you. If not, you can ask mom and dad to do the cutting, which is a lot safer, but just make sure that you need to be safe. So we will be using a knife to cut the tomato and the cucumber. So let's get started. So first, we want to cut our vegetables. And I'm gonna finish cutting up my tomato because I did get started before starting the video. So I'm gonna finish cutting my tomato. So I'm being safe. And I'm gonna put my tomato in this container. Okay? And then what you wanna do is you wanna cut both the tomato and the cucumber into small little pieces. The tomato, you want to cut it like this, like small pieces. Like that. Okay, that's small enough. I can chop this one up a little. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my cucumber in here in this container. I did went ahead and cut some of the cucumber before making the video. Okay, so I got my cucumber. So I don't need my knife anymore. So I'm gonna put my knife somewhere where I won't cut myself. Okay, so then we got that. And I was able to also cut my turkey. You just need it into very small pieces. Like that. Then you want to get your tortilla, your flour tortilla, and then you decide what kind of condiment or dressing you want to put on it. So I got this avocado ranch, and I also got mayonnaise. So I'm gonna use the mayonnaise for this one. For this, you can use a butter knife, but also still be careful when using a butter knife. And you're gonna spread some mayo onto the tortilla as much as you like. If you just like a little bit, you're gonna put just a little bit. If you like a lot, you can put a lot. It's how you like your wrap. So I'm making this wrap for my daughter. Is that good enough, Priscilla?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna add, doesn't really matter how you start to put all the vegetables and the turkey, but I'm gonna do the turkey first. So I'm gonna put the turkey on here. And you want to spread it all on the tortilla. You want to make sure you're getting the plate. Right. And then you want to put the cucumber. And you want to spread some cucumber on there. Nice and even. If you need to add more of what you think there needs to be more, like I need more turkey, I'm gonna put more, more tomato. Put more tomato. That's good. And then this part is the last step. Then you want to just get it all together on one spot, because you're gonna start folding the tortilla. Like that. Nice and folded, like a burrito, but it's a wrap. And then, if you want to cut it, I usually cut it into like 2 pieces in the middle. You can do that. If not, then that's fine. You don't have to cut it. You can just eat it like that. And then that is all. That is the 3 simple ingredients, or 4 ingredients, that you need in order to make a healthy wrap. I hope you guys like this video, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy your wrap. Thank you, guys. Bye.